Yeah, what's going on? So today we have a video from Police Activity, and the title of the video is "Man Tased After Refusing to Show His Driver's License During Traffic Stop." How simple is it to just show your ID? We don't even gotta get into the particulars, you know what I mean? Let's get into the video, y'all.
For dispatch, 1044.
6444.
Be at the Cinex and Am Pride off Morton, Kansas 28 1127. Adam David Robert. Be on a Mustang.
10-4, signal 3.
Man, they sound like they was asleep on the radio, boy. Messing up their night. It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
Hello. Hey, I'm Ted Fonstill, Barton County Sheriff's Office. The reason for a stop today, when you're at the stoplight over on 10th and Main, crossed over the pedestrian walk line, it's illegal, okay? Okay, do you have your driver's license, proof of insurance today? Okay. And are you the registered owner of the vehicle? Can you hand it to me, please? Yes, you do. Okay, I'm gonna ask you, then I'm gonna tell you, then I'll make you, okay? Can you hand me your driver's license, please? Can you please? My name is Deputy Fonstill, Barton County Sheriff's Office. My badge number is 64. Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Okay, please see your identification.
See the camera on the thing.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle now.
What's your name and badge number?
Step out of the vehicle now. Get out. 1039. Get your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You want to give a problem? You want to be a hard head? You don't want to act right? Okay. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. You think the officers want to deal with you? Okay. You don't want to act right? Okay, we gonna show you. We gonna show you. You gonna act right, man. You gonna act right. Listen, this ain't the time or the place to wanna talk about things that should be talked about in court, man. You don't battle it out on the side of the road. You fight it in court. But okay, you don't want to act right. You don't want to give it your ID. All right, bet.
1039. I will tase you. I will tase you. Okay. Get down. Get down on the ground. Now. Get down on the ground.
Down.
Get down.
Where you thought you was going?
Do not move. Do not move. Get down on the ground. Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands out.
Oh, now you want to act right.
Stay in that position.
Yes, sir.
Now you want to act right. What you thought was going to happen? You thought you was going to run and that was going to happen? You better get your act together or we'll get it together for you. You thought this was?
64 dispatch, could you also get a hold of a K9 unit, please?
You need my name and badge number?
He's still talking about some name and badge number.
Sir.
He better shut the heck up.
Do not move. Stay right there. Keep your hands behind you.
I got you.
You've been watching too many cop videos. You think you gonna
pat me down and everything.
I'm not going to do that until more people arrive.
Yes, sir.
been watching too many TikToks, my boy. It don't work like that. Oh, that's some boys for you, boy. Oh, y'all.
Stay just like that. Do not move.
Listen, you gonna learn some discipline today.
How we doing?
Good job,
Yes,
dummy.
please.
Don't fucking move, don't fucking talk.
Thanks, guys.
Can I call my mommy? Shut up.
You have anything on you?
Yes, sir. You can pat me down. Can I get up?
Nope. Stay right there for me. I want to make sure you don't have anything on you, then we'll get you up.
Straight away. Yes, sir.
It's amazing how a taser could get some compliance out of somebody.
Put my seat on.
You have this beautiful thing called the right to remain silent. Let's use it right now. Pull this way. Alright, spin your knee. You gonna grab this side of it? Yeah. I think that here for a second.
God dang.
Yeah, I'm not taking that one out.
Okay.
We'll leave that one. Let's put them in front of my car.
So why am I getting arrested?
I don't know. I wasn't. I just
Oh.
got
Interference.
I wasn't interfering.
You didn't want to display your driver's license to me?
I just showed you through the mirror.
Spin around and sit.
No, yeah. How we do it?
Spin around and
He's
sit.
still talking, huh?
And then you tried to flee, right?
No.
Yeah, you tried to
Because
run.
he's-
Oh, you
Because
didn't try to
tased me
run?
and pulled me out of my car for no reason.
Yep. I told you I might ask you. I'm going to tell you and then I'm going to make you.
Okay.
Right?
Could I show you my driver's license? I didn't know.
No.
I haven't
You're
known.
going to jail today.
Present. In the state of Kansas, you have to present a driver's license.
I didn't
which means
know that.
Hand over.
I didn't.
If you don't know,
Nope.
don't be
That's
stupid.
why I told
Okay.
you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm sure he explained it to you several times.
He just
Dummy.
told me once. I didn't know. How much is my bond gonna be?
We'll figure all that out at the jail, okay?
So is this a felony?
We'll figure that all out later, okay?
I'm
Just a little
sorry
bit.
about that. I didn't know this, sir.
It's
Watching too many TikToks, my boy. You gonna learn something today, though. You wanna play games? Okay.
6-4 dispatch, 1015.
Go and play games.
And he just pulled me out right afterwards.
All right, we have EMS. It's going to show up and check you out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Six 4 16. Kansas 27.
The reason I ran was because I thought this was like all bad. Like, I
King
thought this
04
was-
394.
You got the right to remain silent. You might want to use it because you just admitted to running.
865.
Took a simple traffic stop and made it much, much worse.
Yeah, I'm not bad about that.
How old are you? 18. One way to start off adulthood.
10 4 statue park now.
Could you turn off my car, please?
Yep, I can do that here in a second.
Also, if you got an X41 en route,
Damn, they got $2 gas. They need to be where they at. Kansas.
you want marshals or marmies, or do you want to tow your car? They can't be parked there.
Marshals?
Marshals. 6-4 dispatch. Owners requiring requesting marshals. How we doing, guys?
Doing good. You didn't check his heart?
Yeah, he's got taser deployment. They should be behind him, and then
Was in the lower,
all this.
in between his.
Yeah, I still got one in the neck.
Back of his head.
Alright. You want to do it here?
Yeah, that's fine.
How you feeling?
I'm gonna cut his car off and check through it real quick.
Okay.
Sir, if you explained it to me, I would have gave it to you, sir. I'm sorry about
If a officer gives you a command, what do you do?
Listen.
Probably listen, right?
I'm bad about
Okay.
that, sir.
Probably don't argue, right? Probably would have let you go with the warning, right? Yeah.
You run, so we got that, or
Yeah.
golf and back.
Taser and then
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.